Hi, my mochis!
This is my first rant, so Pulse, don't judge. Anyways, today I'm just gonna talk about how people make fun of others for something they also have in common. Like kids in my grade are always calling black people monkeys when they are black themselves. Or they're calling overweight kids biggie or fat when they are overweight. Well, that's all I have to say. Take care of yourself and don't listen to haters' bullies. Bye, my mochis!